Hi everyone, I'm Jason Barrows with jerryjamesstone.com. Today we're going to learn how to use all parts of a vanilla bean. So here we go. So if you've bought vanilla or vanilla beans lately, you certainly know that they're very expensive. So what I like to do with vanilla beans is that once I've scraped them and used them for either like a filling or a crisp or anything I want to use a vanilla bean for, you can still use the used vanilla bean in a way that imparts vanilla flavor into something, and you basically get to use it twice. So what you'll want to do is with a spent vanilla bean, so that's a vanilla bean that's been split and taken all the seeds out, you can take your vanilla bean and a cup and a half of sugar in an airtight container. You'll take your vanilla bean, you can basically just fold it up, and you're going to put that inside of your sugar. You're going to put your lid on, give that a shake. So once you've set that all up, you can let that sit for about 2 or 3 weeks, just in a cool, dry spot, you know, not near any heat or anything like that. Just let that chill out, kind of mellow. Basically, the vanilla will infuse into the sugar. Once that's complete, you can use that in just about anything, whether it's vanilla cupcakes. You can substitute the regular sugar for vanilla sugar if you want it in your coffee. If you want to put it in whipped cream, you can pretty much use it anywhere, but it's a great way to use your vanilla bean twice and only have to pay for it once. So I hope you like that tip. Tune in next time and we'll see you then. Thanks.